Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download Signal application on your Android device. Before starting, if you don't know what Signal application is, Signal is a cross-platform, centralized, encrypted, instant messaging service developed by the non-profit Signal Technology Foundation and Signal Messenger LLC. In this application, user can send one-to-one and group messages which can include files, voice notes, images and videos. In order to download this application, you need to open Play Store for an Android device and App Store for an iOS. So here I'm going to open Play Store. After opening Play Store, on search bar, I'm going to tap Signal and tap on search. After searching for Signal application, we can see search page, and in order to download this application, we need to tap on install. Signal uses standard cellular telephone number as identifiers and secure all communication to other Signal users with end-to-end encryption. The client software includes mechanism by which users can independently verify the identity of their contact and the integrity of the data channel. As you guys can see, our application is already downloaded, and in order to open this application, you need to tap on open. This is how you guys can simply download Signal application on your Android device using your Play Store. I hope you guys find this video informative. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for the latest upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much guys for joining.